Hello everyone, once again welcome back to the art and craft class. This is Vasundhara, and as you all know, Rakshbandhan is coming. So when we talk about Rakshbandhan, the first thing comes in our mind is Rakhi. So today I am going to tell you how to make a beautiful handmade Rakhi. So before that I am going to show you some of the beautiful Rakhi which I have already made, and you can see. Don't you think it is so amazing? This all is handmade, and I have only made these Rakhis. From these I am going to tell you about 2 Rakhis how to make. So let's get started. So you can see the A4 size paper. I have taken this size strip, you can see. So in one A4 size paper you can make 4 Rakhis, as 4 strips are there, you can see. So first step, you have to fold it like this, zigzag. This, you can see, this is how. Okay, this completely, this is something you will get zigzag, and then completely when you will fold, you will get the sheet like this. Okay, so then you have to just fold from the center like this. Okay, and then you have to apply the glue here to give it a shape of a flower. You have to be very neat while applying the glue. You have to wait for a minute so that it sticks properly. Then again the other side also, this you have to make it in a circle shape. Like this. Now slowly you will turn and you will stick the other side also. So you will get something like this. Take some time to stick. As you can see. Okay, now these blocks you can see, in this blocks you have to cut a small leaves like this, you can see, and you have to stick it like this. These leaves should be folded, as you can see, and just you have to put in each block. Okay, you have to paste. When completely you will do the pasting, you will get something like this. See? Don't you think so beautiful? Clear? Same way in all the blocks you have to put these small tiny leaves, and then you need a circle for the center. Then like this. Okay, now you have to, if you have any beautiful stones or any fancy button, anything, then you can put it in the center. As you can see, I am having one. And even if you don't have any decorative stones, then you can make it any other color circle also in the center. So you can see my beautiful Rakhi is ready. Okay, now for the putting in the ribbon, what you have to do? Just you have to apply glue in the center. And then put your Rakhi on the ribbon and then turn it. Take any rough sheet that should be thick, circle, then apply completely glue on this. This makes your ribbon stick properly. It gives the support. You can see like this. Okay, so it will not come out your ribbon. Clear? So you can see a beautiful Rakhi is ready. Now the other Rakhi also I am going to tell you. Same process, everything you can see. That zigzag one folding only. Same size of the sheet also, just the difference is that this you have to make it in the flower shape. So for that you need to cut just a corner in round shape. Then the other side you will put it like this, and then this also just the corner, same measurement. And for this flower shape Rakhi you need 2 strips. Okay, this, as I have told you, this size strip 2 you need. You can see 2 I am having it. same thing you have to do. You have to cut the corners, as you can see. Now same thing, everything is same, just the corners you have to cut it to make it in the flower shape. See, I have sticked. Now again the other side also you will stick. Then you will join both. See, don't you think such a beautiful? When you will use 2 strips, it will give you so many foldings, and the foldings, if the foldings are more, your flower will also look beautiful, because as many folding, the flower looks more beautiful. So because of 2 strips, the flower will have many foldings also. And see, if your this center is opening, what you can do, just apply glue in the center of point in 2-3 layers, as you can see. Not in all, just 3 layers. You can see 3 dots the center, and just stick it. Okay, see, a flower with so many foldings, it looks so pretty. Okay, now what you have to do, in that I have stick the round. Now here I am sticking a square shape to give it a different look. It's completely your creativity how beautiful you use it. Now I am using the stones. See, it looks beautiful like this also, without the stone also. So to make it more attractive, just using a stone center, and then a little big circle, then this size, and then I have cut the edges, you can see. Okay, then you have to apply glue in the center, as you can see, and then stick your flower slowly on it, and see, a beautiful, amazing Rakhi is ready. Don't you think? This also looks so beautiful, and this also. Clear? So I want you all also to try this wonderful technique of handmade Rakhi. So happy Rakshabandhan.